How to connect Keeper to Cash App. Hey there, looking to make transactions smoother and more secure? Well, this week I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to connect Keeper to Cash App. Let's dive in so you can get the most out of both of these powerful apps. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. Step 1. Understanding Keeper and Cash App. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's take a moment to understand what Keeper and Cash App are all about. Keeper is a leading password management app designed to store and protect your passwords with top-notch encryption. It keeps all your login details organized, ensuring you don't have to remember every password for every app or service you use. Cash App, on the other hand, is a popular payment app that makes it easy to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and even purchase Bitcoin. It's well known for its user-friendly interface and versatility. By connecting Keeper to Cash App, you get the best of both worlds: Cash App's financial services and Keeper's robust security features. This integration helps streamline the process, ensuring that your Cash App login details are stored securely and are readily accessible whenever you need them. With Keeper, you can also enable autofill, so logging into Cash App becomes a breeze. Now that you know what each app offers, let's dive into the steps to connect, which will enhance your security and make your Cash App transactions smoother. Step 2. Why connect Keeper to Cash App? You might be wondering why connecting Keeper to Cash App is a good idea. Well, there are several benefits to doing so. By integrating Keeper with Cash App, you can securely store your Cash App credentials in one place, minimizing the risk of unauthorized access. Keeper's advanced encryption ensures that your data is protected, which is particularly important when dealing with financial transactions. Another advantage is that Keeper eliminates the need to remember complex passwords. It automatically fills in your login details when you open Cash App so you can access your account. It automatically fills in your login details when you open Cash App so you can access your account quickly and without hassle. This not only saves you time, but also makes Cash App more convenient to use. Plus, using Keeper with Cash App allows you to maintain strong, unique passwords, which is a crucial aspect of maintaining online security. With this integration, you also reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing attacks, as you won't need to manually enter your password each time. As we move forward, I'll show you how to set up Keeper and Cash App to it, so you can enjoy these benefits firsthand. Step 3. If you haven't already set up Keeper, don't worry, it's quick and easy. Start by downloading the Keeper app from either the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open up the app and select Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll need to enter a valid email address and create a strong master password. Remember, this password is the key to all your saved information, so make sure it's unique and not used anywhere else. After signing up, Keeper will send a verification email. Simply follow the link provided in that email to verify your account. It's also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an added layer of security. This way, even if someone tries to access your Keeper account without your permission, they would still need the second form of verification. With your Keeper account all set up, you're ready to start storing your Cash App credentials safely. In the next step, I'll walk you through the process of adding Cash App to Keeper so you can keep your login details safe. With your Keeper account all set up, you're ready to start storing your Cash App credentials safely. In the next step, I'll walk you through the process of adding Cash App to Keeper so you can keep your login details safe. In the next step, I'll walk you through the process of adding Cash App to Keeper so you can keep your login details organized and secure. Step 4. Adding Cash App credentials to Keeper. Now that your Keeper account is ready, let's add your Cash App credentials. Start by opening the Keeper app and logging in with your master password. Once you're in, navigate to the main menu and look for the Add Record option, usually marked with a plus icon. This will allow you to create a new entry specifically for your Cash App login details. In the record creation screen, fill out the necessary fields. For the title, type Cash App so you can easily identify it later. Enter your Cash App username, which could be an email address or phone number depending on what you use to set up Cash App. Next, input your Cash App password. If you don't already have a strong password for Cash App, this is a good opportunity to generate one through Keeper. Finally, add the Cash App URL for easy access and then save the record. Once saved, Keeper will securely encrypt and store your Cash App information, so you don't need to worry about remembering it again. If you want even more convenience, you can enable Keeper's autofill option. This way, when you open Cash App, Keeper will automatically enter your login details, saving you time and effort. With your credentials securely stored, you're now ready to access Cash App seamlessly through Keeper. Step 5. Accessing Cash App through Keeper. With Cash App added to Keeper, you can now access your account quickly quickly and securely. Start by logging into Keeper with your master password and navigate to the Cash App record you just created. Keeper offers an autofill feature, which can be a huge time saver. If you've enabled autofill, simply open Cash App and Keeper will automatically fill in your login details for you. This eliminates the need to manually type in your password, reducing the chances of entering it incorrectly or falling for phishing attempts. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can copy your Cash App password directly from Keeper and paste it into the Cash App login screen. Keeper also allows you to store the Cash App URL within the record, making it easy to launch Cash App directly from Keeper. Just tap the URL and it'll take you straight to the Cash App login page. By using Keeper to access Cash App, you're streamlining the process and enhancing security, as Keeper's encryption ensures that your credentials remain protected at all times. In the next section, we'll look at how to sync Keeper across multiple devices, so you can access Cash App from anywhere. Now on to step 6, syncing Keeper across devices. One of the best features of Keeper is its ability to sync across multiple devices. This is especially useful if you use Cash App on your phone, tablet, and computer, as it allows you to access your login details from anywhere. To enable syncing, go to Keeper's settings and turn on the multi-device sync option. Once enabled, download Keeper on any other devices you use, such as your tablet or computer, and log in with your master password. Keeper will automatically sync your records, including your Cash App login details, across all devices. You can also enable Keeper's secure cloud backup for added peace of mind. This way, even if you lose a device, your data remains safe and can be easily restored. It's worth noting that multi-device sync requires an internet connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. With multi-device sync, you have the flexibility to access Cash App securely, no matter which device you're using. This convenience, combined with Keeper's robust security features, ensures that your Cash App experience is as seamless as possible. Step 7. Troubleshooting common issues. While connecting Keeper to Cash App is generally straightforward, you might encounter a few common issues. If you're having trouble logging into Keeper, make sure you're using the correct master password. In case you forget your password, Keeper offers a password recovery option to help you regain access. Another issue you might face is Cash App not showing up in Keeper's autofill options. If this happens, double check that autofill is enabled in Keeper's settings. You may also manually copy and paste your Cash App login details from Keeper if needed. If you experience syncing problems, ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Logging out and back into Keeper on all devices can also resolve most syncing issues. For those using two-factor authentication, make sure your 2FA device is correctly linked to Keeper. If you need to, you can update your 2FA settings directly within Keeper's app. By addressing these potential issues, you can keep your Keeper and Cash App integration running smoothly, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of enhanced security without any interruptions. Next, step 8. Security tips for using Keeper with Cash App. To maximize security when using Keeper with Cash App, consider implementing a few additional safety measures. First, ensure your Keeper master password is both strong and unique. Avoid using this password for any other accounts. Next, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for both Keeper and Cash App, as it adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification when logging in. Regularly updating your passwords is also a good practice. Even though Keeper securely stores your credentials, changing them periodically enhances your overall security. When accessing Cash App, try to avoid using public Wi-Fi, as these networks are often less secure and could potentially expose your data to unauthorized access. Finally, Cash App allows you to monitor login activity. Make it a habit to regularly check this feature to ensure there are no unfamiliar logins to your account. By following these tips, you'll not only enjoy a more convenient experience using Keeper and Cash App together, but also benefit from added peace of mind, knowing your information is secure. Step 9. What are the benefits of using Keeper with Cash App? Connecting Keeper to Cash App brings a host of benefits that enhance both security and convenience. With Keeper, your Cash App login details are encrypted, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Keeper's autofill feature also makes logging into Cash App quick and easy, eliminating the need to remember or type out your password every time. This time-saving feature ensures that you can access Cash App without hassle, whether you're on your phone or your computer. Additionally, using Keeper allows you to create strong, unique passwords that are difficult to crack, further bolstering your online security. Keeper's multi-device sync means you can access Cash App from anywhere at any time, making it ideal for users who frequently switch between devices. devices. Overall, integrating Keeper with Cash App provides an all-round improved experience, combining Keeper's robust security features with Cash App's convenient financial services. By taking advantage of this connection, you can enjoy secure, seamless transactions with peace of mind. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to connect Keeper to Cash App. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy secure and seamless transactions. Start using Keeper with Cash App today and make your digital life easier. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more helpful tips. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. See ya!